Hello friends, I am Professor Asul Sar from Kekiva College Chanduri. Today we are seeing that the cost and work accounting special paper first SYBCom class. The first chapter is basic of cost accounting. In this chapter we are studying that the cost, costing, cost accounting and cost accountancy. So friends, what is meant by cost, costing, cost accounting and cost accounting? These are the most important things in this subject. The costing is a basic concepts in this chapter. So business are functioning in highly competitive environment with a high degree of risk. Consequently, the companies have to function more difficult and efficiently and effectively and offer their quality of product to comparatively affordable prices. Further, the companies aims at both the minimization of cost and the maximization of revenue as they are the prerequisite to profit maximization objective. If the modern business world, the nature and the functioning of business organization have become a very much complicated. Various internal and external parties, that is example given owner, creditors, employees, governments, agencies, tax authorities, investors or management of their business are the interested. It is the functioning of the business. Accounting provide information to all these interested parties. Financial accounting is mainly concerned with the preparation of income statement and position statement. Example, profit and loss account and balance sheet. These information serves the basic needs of all those who are not directly associated with the management of business, but management of every business is interested to know much more than the usual information to carry out the function of planning, decision making and control. Thus, the cost accounting is science developed for this purpose. So, one by one concept, we have studied that what is meant by cost. So, cost is the amount of expenditure, actual or notional, incurred on attributable to a specified things or activity. Thus, again, the general concept of cost, which is most widely used, the money cost of production. Another concept of cost is the real cost. According to the Marshall, again, opportunity cost. Concept of there, opportunity cost means the sacrifice made for not utilizing the other alternatives. From the above, from the above criteria, from the above information, we can conclude or that the cost is a total all expenses incurred whether paid or outstanding in the manufacturing and sale of product of thus incurred in the giving service. Next concept is costing. So what is meant by costing? So costing is a simplified cost finding. So ICMA London says the costing is a techniques and process of ascertaining of cost. How to ascertain the cost? Use the costing techniques and then ascertain the cost. Hence, their primary function of costing is the ascertain of the cost of product and the service. In order to ascertain cost, certain well-established techniques and procedures are to be followed. Costing as a technique is the body of principle and rules which govern the procedure of ascertaining cost. As opened by Dosborne, a technique of costing is never static nor are its rule fixed for all times. It means they are flexible in nature. The next concept is most important. What is meant by cost accountants accounting? So cost accounting is the process of accounting for cost. It begins with the recording of income and expenditure and ends with the preparation of periodical statement. The term cost accounting is explained in different ways. The Kohler says cost accounting is that the branch of accounting dealing with the classification, recording, allocation, summarization, and reporting of current and prospective cost. Cost accounting is the classifying, recording, appropriate allocation of the expenditure for the determination of the cost of product or service, the relation of these costs of sales, values, and the ascertainment of profitability. And the last one, most important thing in this chapter is cost accountancy. So what is meant by cost accountancy? It is the application of costing and cost accounting principle, methods and techniques. It is also the science, arts and practice of controlling the cost and ascertainment of profitability. Cost accountancy is mainly concerned with the presentation of costing data to the management in a precise form, so the vital decision can be taken by the management. The term cost accountancy is explained in different ways by various authorities as follows. The application of costing and cost accounting principles, methods, and techniques to the science, art, and practice of cost control and the ascertainment of profitability. It is include the presentation of information derived therefrom for the purpose of managerial decision making. All these above things, such as a cost, costing, cost accounting, cost accountancy, in this syllabus or in this subject is most important things. Then the next point is objective of cost accounting and advantages and limitations of cost accounting. The objective of cost accounting is main first objective is a how to ascertain the cost, control the cost, then to provide the basis of operating policies, determine the selling price, frequent preparation of accounts and other reports to provide the data for cost reduction, preparation of cost estimates like a uh, cost sheet, standards for measuring the efficiency, the determine the selling price. Cost accounting provides information to the basis which selling price for the product or service may be fixed. Total cost of production constitute the basic on the selling price of fixed or adding the margin of profit. Cost accounting furnish both the total cost of production as well as cost incur at each and every stage of production in fixation of selling price. The most important advantages of cost accounting is the supplies details of cost information helps to the decision making. Cost accounting always helpful for the decision making. It provides suitable cost data and other related information to enable management to evaluate alternative courses. The next one advantages is guides to price fixation. Cost accounting helps to guides to price fixation. Cost is one of the most important factor to consider while fixing a price. It assists management in fixation of selling price both in normal condition and for the period of depression. Reveals operating efficiency. This is the one of the most important advantages of advanced cost accounting. So cost information reveals profitable and unprofitable activities so that steps may be taken to the reduce or eliminate wastage and inefficiencies occurring in any sphere such as idle time. And the limitations of cost accounting, it is a major part in this topic. This is a very expensive method. This is a more complex, more limited applicability, not applicable to the small concern, only applicable for the large concern. Then lack of uniformity. Then next one, lack of accuracy, confusion regarding non-cost item, not useful for handling futuristic situation, failure in many cases. Cost accounting is not exact science because cost accounting system aims at ascertaining cost. It is impossible to ascertain. It is impossible to ascertain the cost, but it is necessary use a number of estimated basis of apportionment, etc. However, there are limitations are to some extent unavoidable, do not affect much the realization of objective for which cost accounting is introduced, and are to some extent essential for the purpose of operation of the system. Thank you.